Okay. Okay. So, where are you speaking from now?
Sir, from Odisha.
Which place?
Sir, Keonjhar.
Okay. So, can you introduce yourself in 1 minute?
Sir, I am Digbijayee Sahoo. I am from Keonjhar, Odisha. I have done my MSc from IIT Kharagpur, and I have done my BSc from DT Autonomous College, Keonjhar.
Okay. After MSc, what are you doing?
Sir, I am preparing for GSI.
So, you have qualified in the written exam, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, you are waiting for the Viva.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how are you preparing for your Viva? Are you going through the books or seeing something else?
Sir, going through the books, some current affairs, and looking after some videos.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So now you are interested in hard rock geology, isn't it? That's why you want to join Geological Survey of India.
yes, sir.
Okay. So your BSc is from Keonjhar and MSc is from IIT Kharagpur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose you take a traverse from Bhubaneswar to Kharagpur.
Yes, sir.
Bhubaneswar to Kharagpur. You know
Yes,
where
sir.
is Bhubaneswar? I'm sure, huh?
Ye- Yes,
Then
sir.
you go via Keonjhar or
But
Panikoili, then you go to Kharagpur. So, what are the formations or rocks you will be able to observe?
sir, in Bhubaneswar, the important lithology is sandstone, and then we move through Jajpur Keonjhar Road. The rock types are in Sukinda, it is mostly ultramafics. Jajpur area mostly ultramafics. Then
Okay.
Baleswar. Baleswar, it is mostly alluvium deposits, gneissic complex, and then Kharagpur.
Kharagpur is what?
Sir, Kharagpur is also alluvium deposits.
Alluvium deposits. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
told some of the rock names only you mentioned, some sedimentary, some alluvium. But what are those formations? Like in Bhubaneswar, suppose you are finding some sedimentary rocks. Which formation it belongs?
Sir, Bhubaneswar, it is belongs to Athogad sandstone basin.
Athor
Gondwana
sandstone formation. Gondwana formation.
yes,
Gondwana.
sir, Gondwana
Gondwana
formation
group. Gondwana group. Or
groups. Yes,
super group,
sir.
whatever. Gondwana. So what is the age of those sediments?
Sir, Athogad sandstone is upper Gondwana, so it belongs to Jurassic to Cretaceous age.
Jurassic to Cretaceous. So, what is the age span of Gondwana?
Sir, age span of Gondwana is late Carboniferous to early Cretaceous.
Early Cretaceous.
Yes,
Okay. Now, next you go to suppose Keonjhar area. Or
yes,
why
sir.
Keonjhar area? Even you told Sukinda area. You told some ultra basic rocks. But what is the formation there? Or what is the
Sir,
rock group there?
Sir, Singhbhum group.
Singhbum group.
Yes, sir,
Singhbum group
Singhbhum.
or Singhbum Craton?
Sir, Singhbhum Craton.
Okay. But there is no Eastern Ghat rocks?
Yes, sir, some amount of Eastern Ghat.
Where? Where you will find Eastern Ghat rocks?
Sir, in western and southern Odisha, we find Eastern Ghat mobile belt.
Even in Sukinda area or so, Angul area, you will get Eastern Ghats. So,
Yes,
what
sir,
is
Angul.
Eastern Ghats? Eastern Ghat rocks are what? What type of
Sir,
rocks are present in Eastern Ghats?
sir, mostly high grade granulites rock, charnokites and chondrites are the important type of rocks present in Eastern Ghat
So,
area.
what is the age of those rocks? Which age
Sir,
there?
mostly Archean. That belongs
Archean?
to Archean age.
Okay. Archean or Proterozoic? Eastern Ghat rocks are mostly Proterozoic. Remember, huh? Archean, you have not gone to
Yes,
Archean
sir.
so far. Now, if you go to Keonjhar, you will find Archeans. You will
Yes,
find
sir. Keonjhar
Archeans.
is Archean.
Keonjhar, what are the rocks in Keonjhar?
Sir, Keonjhar mostly banded gneissic complex and granites we found. Some amount of dolerites also there and uh, dolerites, granite, iron ores. Sir, iron ore group of
Iron ore
rocks.
formation.
Yes,
Iron
sir.
ore formation. Iron ore formation. So age of those rocks are Archean.
Yes, sir. Archean.
So now this Keonjhar area is your Singhbhum crater.
Yes, sir.
Then Angul area is Eastern Ghats.
Eastern Ghats.
Eastern Ghats. So where is the contact?
Sir, Singhbhum to Angul.
Angul. Singhbhum is your crater, Archean. Eastern
Yes,
Ghats are your these things. So where is the contact? There must be a contact. Now one is Kulturjik, another is yes. Come up.
Sukinda, sir. Sukinda thrust.
Sukinda thrust is the contact.
Contact.
Along the thrust, this chromite bearing ultramafics
yes,
has entered, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Sukinda is famous for chromite ore. Chromite and what else?
Sir, chromites and PG elements, some amount of PG elements and nickel, laterite 6. Yes, sir.
Yeah, nickel. Okay. Now Singhbhum is over. Singhbhum continues up to what point? Singhbhum, you are going towards Kharagpur, isn't it? Singhbhum, you are going towards Kharagpur. Does the Singhbhum continues up to Kharagpur or it goes somewhere else?
No, sir, it is continue to Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Up to Jharkhand. Yes, up to Jharkhand it continues. So, what is the contact, the northern contact of Singhbhum crater?
Sir, Singhbhum thrust. Sir, Singhbhum thrust belt.
Or Singhbhum mobile belt.
Mobile belt, yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So, there within that Singhbhum mobile belt, you will get Singhbhum group of rocks.
Yes, sir.
Group of rocks. See, just now you were telling, I told it is not Singhbhum group. It is Singhbhum crater. But in the Singhbhum thrust area, you will get Singhbhum group.
Yes.
So, what is the Singhbhum group of rocks? What is it made up of?
Sir, Dalbhum and Chaibasa formations.
So, what are the rocks?
Sir, iron ore group of rocks. Then volcanics, mostly.
Dalma lava, you must have heard.
Dalma lava, yes, sir. Dalma volcanics.
Dalma volcanics.
Yes,
so this is the sequence of rocks, you will get from Bhubaneswar to, say, Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
So, Kharagpur area is also famous. Kharagpur area is also famous for some rocks. What is that?
The sandstone.
Yes, Gondwana sandstones.
Yes.
Gondwana. So these Gondwana formations have deposited in the different rift valleys. You must have heard the name of rift valleys?
Yes, sir.
Can you define what is a rift valley?
Sir, rift valley. Sir, rift valley is a extensional settings where a continents break due to extension and for normal faults to make a rift.
And in those rifts,
sediments got deposited.
So Gondwana were deposited in those. How many rift valleys are there in India?
Sir, precisely I don't know how many, but I know some of the names.
Tell me.
Sir, Krishna Godavari Rift Valley.
Yes.
Sir, Narmada Rift Valley.
Yes.
Cambe is also Rift Valley. And Mahanadi Rift. Yes, sir, Mahanadi Rift. Yes, sir, Mahanadi Rift.
That's all. These many rifts only we have in India. Now all these rift valleys are occupied by?
Sir, mostly sedimentary. Sir, Gondwana supergroup.
Gondwana rocks. Don't tell all sedimentary, Now these Gondwana rocks were extending into another continent also.
Yes, sir.
What is the continent?
Sir, Antarctica.
Very good. Which area, which rift valley accommodates?
Sir, Lambert Rift.
Lambert Graben or Lambert Rift. There also. Yes, that is why we correlate India and Antarctica.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are good. Very good. Okay. Professor Sarma, I am through.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Digbijayee.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Have you any interest in crystallography mineralogy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you heard the name 32 classes, symmetry classes?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the symmetry operations used in the derivation of 32 classes?
Sir, mostly 3 type of symmetry classes: reflection, rotation, and inversion.
Reflection, rotation, and inversion.
Inversion.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me more about inversion? What is inversion exactly?
Sir, inversion, if we take one crystal, if a center of symmetry is there, there will be a center of symmetry. If we connect all the points of the edge to the center, then it will be same in the opposite side also.
Okay. No, specifically, what is inversion? When we name the term roto-inversion axis, what does it mean?
Sir, in 180-degree sorry, sir.
Yeah. Rotary inversion axis, na? This is class bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4.
First we'll rotate it, then we'll inverse it to the opposite 180-degree to the inversion side.
Okay, inversion through center.
Yes, sir, center.
Can you explain the word fence diagram?
Fence diagram.
Fence, F-A-N-S-C-E, fence.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No? Sedimentological work you have done?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
You must know fence diagram. What is fence diagram?
Sir, actually, I cannot recall.
Okay, koi baat nahi. Then what is nominal diameter?
Nominal diameter.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't know.
These are the basic terms in sedimentology. Yeah, fence diagram, nominal diagram. Can you explain Walther's law?
Yes, sir. Sir, if in a stratigraphic sequence, the sediments are deposited without any discontinuity in a vertical profile, then there must be the lateral continuity also.
Yes, very good. And can you explain sedimentary basins in compressional settings?
Sir, in compressional setting, mostly 2 basins are found: fore-arc basin, back-arc basin, and foreland basin. 3 basins. Back-arc basin mostly extensional, but it comes under the subduction zone.
Okay, foreland basin, fore-arc basin, and back-arc basin. Why we called fore-arc basin and back-arc basin?
Sir, fore-arc basin is towards the foreland, and
Okay.
it is between the volcanic arc and the trench, so it is towards the foreland, so it is called fore-arc basin. But back-arc basin is away towards the hinterland, so it is called the back-arc basin.
Okay. And when we use the term geosynclines, we have 2 types of geosynclines.
Yes, sir.
Basically. What are these?
Yes, sir. Sir, geosynclines, myogeosynclines.
What is the difference between these two?
Sir, geosynclines is inside the synclines, and myogeosynclines is outside of the synclines, some distance.
Okay. The last one. I am trying to deviate you from sedimentology to mineralogy.
Yes, sir.
Can you heard the name diasthyne?
Sir?
Diasthyne, D-I-A-S-T-H-E, diasthyne.
No, sir.
No? Can you heard the name kyanite?
Yes, sir.
What about the hardness of kyanite?
Sir, hardness of kyanite is about 6 to 7, 6.5 to 7.
6.5 to 7 along the cleavage or across the cleavage?
Sir, across the cleavage. Along the cleavage, it will be less.
about 4.
Yes, sir.
There is a contrasting difference between hardness and kyanite.
Yes.
Therefore, it is known as diastine.
Okay, sir.
Diastine is the name of kyanite. Okay, thank you, beta. Madhukar sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, Digbijayee, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, you are reading some current affairs.
Yes, sir.
Who is the President of India?
Sir, Draupadi Murmu.
How presidential election happens?
Sir, through indirect voting through the members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
Only members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
Yes, I think. Other.
What is republic?
What is republic?
What is the meaning of republic?
The republic meaning by the by voters, the citizens of the India. Votes by the citizens of India.
Okay. Tell me a few coal deposits of India.
Sir, in India, Talcher Basin of Odisha and Raniganj Basin of West Bengal.
And lignite deposits?
Of Ankleshwar, lignite deposits in Ankleshwar.
What is the difference between coal and lignite?
Sir, lignite is also called as brown coal. It is the initial stage of the formation of the coal. It has higher moisture content, ash content, but these are the bituminous type of coals. Raniganj deposit, Talcher Basin deposits.
Is there any age difference between the lignite deposits and coal deposits?
So lignite deposits mostly tertiary age, where bituminous deposits are mostly of Gondwana group of deposits.
Okay. Have you heard about the landslides in Himalayan region?
Yes, sir.
Why it happens so frequently in Himalayan region?
Sir, due to sir the slopes of the Himalayan regions are very steep, so it caused instability to the rocks and
Is there any relationship of between type of rock and landslide?
yes, sir. Mostly those rocks which got affected by the water content or more porous rocks are more prone to landslide due to weathering and that kind of effect.
Okay. What is aquifer?
Sir, aquifer is a formation, water-bearing formation. It is porous and permeable, both porous and permeable.
And how many types of aquifers?
So there are mostly 3 types of aquifer: confined aquifer, unconfined aquifer, and forced aquifer.
Have you heard about leaky aquifer?
Yes, sir. It is type of semi-confined aquifer.
And what condition will make an aquifer a leaky aquifer?
Sir, when the upper layer of the confined aquifer it is semi-permeable, then it makes the confined aquifer to a leaky aquifer.
Okay. What is hydraulic conductivity?
Sir, hydraulic conductivity is the discharge per unit area and per unit hydraulic gradient.
Okay. And what is the role of permeability in defining an aquifer?
Sir, if permeability is high, then if the formation is permeable, then we can call it as aquifer. Non-permeable formations cannot call be cannot call to be an aquifer.
Okay. Tell me about few issues related to groundwater in Odisha specific.
Sir, in Odisha, mostly the water get contaminated due to iron content and coastal leakage due to salinity leakage in the coastal area. The groundwaters get contaminated.
So you are talking about seawater intrusion.
Yes, sir. Seawater intrusion.
There is a specific
in coastal
principle
area.
that governs the freshwater and saline water contact. Can you explain about it?
Yes, sir. Heisenberg principle. When there is a height of the from the water table to the aquifer height, and below there is a sea. So the equation is H is equal to 40 Z. At the height of the aquifer, Z is equal to the elevation.
Okay. So suppose if we start pumping in coastal area, and initial water level was water table was suppose 3 meters, and we pumped the aquifer, and now water table exists at 2 meters. What will be the effect on saline water intrusion?
Sir, if the water level declined to 2 meters, then the saline water will intrude to the aquifer to make the balance.
Apply the principle, Heisenberg principle, in this situation.
Sir, then life.
Can you imagine the picture in your mind?
Yes, sir. If we pumped out the sir, you said you pumped out the saline water.
No, fresh water.
If we pumped out the fresh water, then to maintain the potentiometric surface, the water will increase, and to take the place, the saline water will intrude to the freshwater area. So there will be contamination.
How would you recharge in aquifers of coastal area, ensuring that fresh water doesn't flow to the sea?
If we recharge in the river basins or artificial recharge by artificial well, then we can prevent the intersection of the saline water to the fresh water.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Digbijayee. Yeah, I think you gave a very good interview. And your subject hold is also quite good. We could observe that across the members.
Thank you, sir.
But in your MSc, what was your dissertation topic?
Sir, MSc, my dissertation topic was sedimentological study around Chamakpur area, Kolhan group of rocks.
Okay. So many times what happens in the interview, just at the beginning, they ask this part, and they may start an interview with those subjects. What you have already done, and what is the plan, how much have you understood, or did you do it only mechanically? So be little thorough about that.
Sir, actually, due to COVID, we did not go to that place. We only read the dissertation paper and did the work.
You didn't go to field work.
Sir, we went to field work, but we did not went to the dissertation field work.
Okay, I understand. MSc first year you did field work.
Yes,
MSc
sir.
second year you could not do. But GSI may not exempt you from field work, even if it is COVID, Anyway, okay, good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jagdeep, good luck. Keep it up.
Very good interview. Since the preliminary exam also has been included in GSI, and they have the GS part.
Yes, sir.
So at least prepare the preamble of Indian Constitution.
Yes, sir.
You should be clear about the words mentioned in the preamble. Absolute clear.
Okay, sir.
And
okay,
I asked about the presidential election because it is related to your state and
yes, sir.
So be thorough in that. Okay,
sir.
It was all over very good.
Thank you, sir.